Hello and welcome to ActivTrades' biggest market movers. With the aftershocks of the Brexit vote still very visible in the currency market, I thought today I'd take a look at a more stable trading alternative, namely the Aussie against the US dollar. The euro, the British pound and also the Japanese yen have been incredibly volatile, and they've been snapping back after making new lows. And what I mean by snapping back is that they've been moving in one direction, subsequently just to move back to where they fell off from. So they've been quite difficult to trade, and unless you're a very nimble scalper type of trader, then they've been quite hard to call the direction or the trend for the day. And also, the volatility has been quite dangerous to trade in, a very volatile environment. So today, I thought I'd have a look at something a bit clearer and a potential trade that may be starting to develop in the Aussie against the US dollar. So I'd like to start at the actual day before the Brexit vote, where this pair set a high around the 76.50 area, and obviously we fell off that day down to about the 7300. But what was notable about that day is that the low that was set in the pair around the 72.90 area kept intact, and where other pairs such as the euro, the British pound and the US dollar against the Japanese yen, they were breaking down from below their old ranges and making new lows. This pair was actually holding the lows that were set and was not able to make new lows. So if you're not making new lows in a pair, obviously you've then got the dynamic that traders are starting to take a look at that and think, okay, well, there's still some balls around in this pair, and it's worth a look at. So yesterday, that's exactly what happened, and we saw the third higher low in place, and we've seen 100 pip move up in this pair, and from here, I think it'll be an interesting case to see if the dynamics can change in this pair, in that we can start to take out the 74.50, which was the last high in this pair, and then the 7500, and then of course start to make higher highs, and this pair then becomes quite interesting. And obviously you have the dynamic in the market where people are worried about the euro and the British currency, so they starting to move into other currencies such as Aussie, New Zealand dollar, and as of course you've seen the Japanese yen. So this is a really interesting pair to keep your eyes on, and obviously we've got that third higher low, so any pullback in this pair, it could be a good opportunity for the bulls to step in again. Thank you very much. It's been ActivTrades' biggest market movers.